I've driven about 45 minutes outside of Columbus here, basically starting where I left off on my last Ohio to Erie Trail ride to the north. I'm just south of Mount Vernon right now, so we'll be going through Mount Vernon. Our destination today is Danville, Ohio, where I'll grab a bite to eat and then come on back. It's just a little stop here on the trail. All right, let's get going. So the Heart of Ohio Trail turns in here to the Kokosing Trail, Kokosing Gap Trail. Follows the Kokosing River down here on our left. Still going downhill. Some industrial out here, but I'm sure we'll get back out into the country very soon. Trail was built on this levee. This is nice. So I'm guessing this is not railroad here. We're definitely back on a rail trail now. I'm seeing the old railroad markers. Just after this bridge, a guy rolled up on an Aventon e-bike and we chatted all the way to Danville. Smile, you're on YouTube. Ohio is sometimes a punchline in many people's jokes. especially people who call it a flyover state. That's okay. Keep flying over. We'll keep it. All right, I just stopped in Danville, Ohio for a quick lunch. Mowers. And I'm headed on the way back. It was a nice ride. I think his name was Rick. Came up on me with that Aventon 500 Generation 1 bike. He said he was doing some distance testing on his batteries. He slowed down for me. So that was a pretty easy 21 miles. Mostly downhill. So I guess I can anticipate mostly uphill on the way home. Sheesh. Well, that ride was over about 43 and a half miles, and I did it very slowly. I did stop a lot. No one take some pictures, and but still it was slow. It's okay. So next time, thanks for watching.